Hello guys, and welcome to my JavaScript video tutorial. And in this video series, or in these videos of this JavaScript tutorial, I will be teaching you JavaScript. And I will be teaching you JavaScript from the very scratch and explaining every little thing in this technology. And JavaScript is just a basic, or not a basic, it's a programming language or scripting language which is used for front-end web development, and this is one of web languages which browsers understand. And if you think about browsers, then browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, and any other browsers are pretty much are those softwares which you put on your computer or you install on your computer, and then by using these softwares, these browsers, you can access internet or websites on internet. And all websites are pretty much from front-end built from three technologies: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And if you don't know HTML and CSS, please refer to my HTML5 and CSS3 tutorial where I explain you how to write code and how to create HTML elements and how to style those elements. So as I am using different examples, so it is easier for you to understand how it all together. So yes, this is pretty much it, and we will be learning JavaScript, and like I mentioned, I will be teaching you step by step and will be guiding into this technology, and that we will be working with HTML elements, we will be resizing elements, we will be creating dynamic elements, we will be learning loops, we will be learning if-else statements and conditional statements, variables, and everything what I will be teaching you guys, I will be teaching you in great detail. And this tutorial will be rather long and there will be many videos, but it will explain you everything in great detail like I mentioned before, and like I'm explaining everything in my videos on this channel, computer programming, which is computer programming, and I know a lot of technologies, and JavaScript is next one which I'm going to teach you guys. And jQuery is the one technology which is actually JavaScript functions library, which I will be creating video tutorial after this tutorial, because I want you to understand JavaScript first. And if you don't know what is jQuery, then basically jQuery is as well written from JavaScript or in JavaScript language. It's just the functions which are written in JavaScript and made it easier for you to use them by using that jQuery library, because jQuery library pretty much is the one big file which includes a lot of JavaScript pre-written functions which you can use in your code, so it allows you to write this pretty much JavaScript faster. And that's what JavaScript is. jQuery is. jQuery is just JavaScript functions, but all basic language under all these Node.js and other JavaScript frameworks and libraries is JavaScript, and that's what you need to learn first if you want to be a professional web developer or game developer. Probably at the end of this video series I will show you how you can create a game, like simple game with HTML5 and JavaScript. Pure JavaScript. We will not be using any jQueries or anything like that. I will show you because I want you to be to learn this particular technology professionally. And if you learn JavaScript professionally, you can get a good job. If you know pretty much HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can get a good job. But if you know these technologies good. I know front-end development, so as back-end development, so as databases, so as networking, Linux, Bash programming like Perl, and so on. And I will be creating all these tutorials, so as content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, all these videos I will be creating. So as I work with graphic design like Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator and Flash. And if you are interested, then let's go, and in next video let's start learning JavaScript. See you in next video, guys.